All right, welcome everyone. See, today we got two of the aerial bots. This is Slingshot and Fireflight. Pretty heavily discolored on Slingshot. A little bit of schmutz on there. Let me grab a little water here. See if I can. I know the discoloration is not going away, but maybe I can clean a little bit of this dirt off. Coming off slowly. Let that soak in. Like I say, it's just, as always, just water, no chemicals or detergents in here. Just trying to see if I can get it to be cooperative. that really shows the discoloration, that wing to that wing. But we need something a little bit. I'll have to do some research on on safe stuff to clean these with. Yeah, it's coming slowly but surely. I don't know if that might have been old sticker residue. I don't remember there being stickers here on the wings, but I say I'll have to get on that for because I'm sure this is not the last of the dirty toys I've got. But anyway, let's get into do some. I just untransformed him, so I should be able to do this. Okay, that goes together there. Then the wings go back. Extend his legs and pop his arms out. Pretty simple transformation, actually. As I'm finding most of them are. Focus. There we go. That's, and then Slingshot. No, that was Slingshot. This is Fireflight. I will say I'm cheating a little bit. I actually have the card. I was amazed when I found these before. I don't remember saving this stuff. As you can see, it was worth half a robot point, which is nothing. And got the little Slingshot function ground support troop. I'm even better than I think. He won't ever win a Mr. Popularity contest. Incessant braggart, takes credit for exploits of other Autobots. Optimus Prime is supportive since he's hardworking and loyal, but he secretly lacks self-confidence. Vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, flies at Mach 1.6, range 800 miles, extremely maneuverable, sharpshooter, has twin mortar cannons as a jet, neutron rifle as a robot, with fellow Aerobots form Superion. And I do not have. Yeah, he does have a place to mount a weapon there. Okay. But I paid $3.93 for it at Walmart in probably 1986, if you can focus in on that. And that's I don't have a red filter to show his little. That was their thing. But that was his packaging. It came in a blister pack. And then I do not have Fireflights. He's pretty much a very similar. It looks like he did have a sticker here that came off. That looks really like sticker residue on that one. Pretty much a very similar transformation. It's popular. Maybe seems like they ought to. And the wings a good bit stiffer. I really am going to find if see if there's a way to recondition. Oof, I hate that squealing. Ancient plastic. Oh, pop his legs out. And his arms are a little more pronounced. Okay, and no feet or anything on these guys. It seems like these should line up. Yeah, I guess he is supposed to be that far. His is much tighter. But there's his full. Oh, I guess I should at least make a run at trying to clean. See if this residue will come off. I'm gonna have to dig in and do some research, and especially if I'm, as I was talking yesterday about trying to restore my collection, get it back up to, wouldn't be collector standard, but to, display standard. Have all the pieces. Try and find all the pieces, probably on eBay, or I doubt even these are probably long past yard sale. But anyway, like I say, that's 2 of the aerial bots. Something to do on a Wednesday. And I'm sure some of you have already figured out what's going to happen, what's going to come up Thursday and Friday. And Saturday is going to be a big one. But there they are. They're still, like I say, outside of the discoloration, they're still pretty good shape as far as these don't, like I say, the wings on this one feel very stiff and make me worry when I move them, but they still don't feel brittle. I don't know. Oh yeah, it does have a landing gear. So, but these wings are much more flexible. I feel much safer transforming this guy. Until I just tried to push his legs. Oh, gotta move his arms first. Okay. Legs first, then arms. Okay, that's what the problem was. And his landing gear is integrated, so it's not. I don't know, maybe it's not. Okay, you're supposed to. Okay, that's part of the future transformation, I think. But anyway, so there they are, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying things. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep going for quite a while now. Bye.